I have chose a different room than I have ever booked before. And today we're going to check out this room here on Wonder of the Seas. I have a boardwalk balcony view, so let's go inside and check it out. This is cabin 12319. Check out this spacious cabin that I booked here on Wonder of the Seas. You're going to find lots of room for everything here. The first thing you're going to notice about this room is you do have two twin beds that can push together to create one queen size bed. You have the capacity to sleep up to 3. However, I believe Royal Caribbean will only let you book 2 people to this room. You can technically fit a child on the couch. I'll show you that here in just a minute. But here at the queen size bed, it does split into 2. That way it can become 2 twin beds. That way, if you're sailing with somebody you don't want to share a bed with, you do have that option. Another nice thing is on either side of the bed, you do have these lamps. Those lamps have a USB-A and a standard US outlet. That way you can charge your devices, connect your CPAP, whatever it may be. Over here, we have a vanity and a dresser. And then in the dresser, you're gonna find the mini fridge, which that way you can keep bottled water or anything you might need chilled and do that in there. On both sides of the bed, you do have a little storage. For this side right behind me is gonna be your closet. On the other side, you are going to find a little bit of a closet for hanging clothes, some shelves, and your room safe. So you do have that here. Of course, you got a large TV if you want to watch TV or do what I do and track the ship's progress. They do have that on there. Over here on this side, you're going to find a couch. This couch, you probably could sleep somebody on it. It is not a sleeper sofa technically. That way you can sit, relax, and enjoy. Tired of watching the room tour and want to make this your cabin for your next cruise? With the link down in the description below, you can make this cabin your reality or a cabin on any cruise ship. Follow our booking engine and you're able to book the same cruise that the cruise line would charge while helping out the channel. This all comes at the same price that the cruise line charge. And just for our community, a lot of times I can get you onboard credit and benefits that you can't get from the cruise line. Out here, we're gonna show you the main feature of this room, which is the balcony. Let's go out here and check this out. Here, you're gonna find the balcony. On the balcony, you're gonna have 2 loungers. They don't completely lay flat because it is kind of a smaller balcony. That is one thing I noticed. I believe the ocean view balconies are a little bit bigger, but it is cool because if you wanted to, you could watch the water show at the AquaTheater here on the back of the ship. And also, if you want to people watch, there's lots of people watching to be had because we are at the boardwalk. We're going to be a couple decks below the main deck, which that way you keep the noise down to a minimum. You got rooms on sides, top and bottom. That way it reduces noise from main foot traffic. Also here on the deck, you're going to find a little table. That way you can eat breakfast, enjoy your morning coffee. You can do all that out here. Now that we've checked out the balcony, let me know down in the comments, would this be a room you would book or do you prefer your ocean view? Just drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. We're gonna head into the bathroom next and I'm gonna show you around in here. Of course, we got a stand-in shower with acrylic doors. No shower curtains in here. That way, hopefully it contains a little bit of the water. A standard marine toilet, only flush what you're allowed to down there. And we got a little sink. That way you can shave, wash up, whatever you need to do. Of course, we got more storage over here and an outlet up here for your shaver or maybe the hair dryer. I'll have to check that out. That is cabin 12319 here on board Wonder of the Seas. If you found this cabin tour helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button. And in a small world, travel's large.